Hi, I'm Leslie Wallace. For years, I've worked with people trying to improve their finances, rebuild their credit, grow businesses, and create a better future. And one thing I've learned is that most people don't have a discipline problem, they have a systems problem. Most of us were never taught how to manage our money, our time, our household, or our future as a connected system. So we end up relying on willpower. We tell ourselves we'll do better next month. We'll get organized next week. We'll we'll finally create a plan someday. But when life gets stressful, willpower breaks, but systems hold. That's what the life track is about. It's about creating simple systems for your money, your household, your protection, and your future so that life doesn't feel like a constant emergency. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how small systems can create stability, clarity, and peace of mind.